everyone kung ano po ba ang gagawin ng ating mga contestants today. Of course, it's very simple. Kanina nakita natin si Chef Sao. He prepared sandwich, burger. This is burger in particular. That's brownies for the dessert. And of course, for the appetizer or bread dish, it is the pancake. Siyempre pa, it wouldn't be complete without pasta. Tama. Sino ba mahilig sa pasta? Ako, I love pasta. Now, it's turn of three beautiful mommies to show us kung ano-ano ba ang kanilang mga style when it comes to spaghetti cooking. Ayan, so everybody, let's get ready to meet all the moms from Tiki Moms that have our mommy, Evelyn M.O.B.L. Mommy number one. Hello, Mommy. Evelyn, how do they call you? Sino kasama niyo ngayon, Mommy? Nag-iisa ka lang. Ang tawag ko dyan, alone but not lonely. Ayan, Mommy, pagdak ka lang, marami naman siguro mapalakpak sa iyo mamaya. Okay, Mommy, please go to your station. We have 3 stations here. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, of course, the Mommy will be using products from sponsors. So wala po silang ibang gagawin kundi gamitin ang mga produkto ready for all of them. Okay, let's have the next mom. The next mom is the one again. Mommy Paula Enriquez. Hi, Mommy. How many kids do you have? So where are they? Are they with you? Asan si Happy? Ay, amacho na siya. At si Baby naka-boots. Oo, manang-mana kay Mommy. Okay, Mommy, good luck to you. I'm sure you have a lot of variants when it comes to spaghetti cooking. Sana po. Of course, we have our own favorite. But later, we will find out. And finally, let's have the third, the last, and final Mommy Jonash. Ilasyo. Ay, ito na pala si Mommy. With companion of ng anak niya. Ano ang anak niya, Mommy? Si Kuya. Alika dito po, Kuya. Alright, what's your name? Kuya Jonash. So, Kuya Jonash will be the one who will talk instead of Mommy. So, you will represent Mommy. Or you will be the thorn among the roses. Okay? Di ba ka nasa gitna kasi ikaw lang ang nag-iisang guwapong-guwapa. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we are going to have 1 hour preparation and cooking time for 2 beautiful mommies and Kuya Jonash, of course. We will give them 16 minutes to do all the preparations and to make their spaghetti very, very delicious. So what are we waiting for? Timer is up, I believe. So it's 3:20 now exactly. So probably if it's 60 minutes, we will be finishing the preparation and cooking time by 4:20. So are we ready, mommies? Mommies, ready? Yeah, ready. Remember, hey Jonas, are you done? Okay, we're done already. Okay. Remember, we have our judges. Okay, let's start the timer now.